Want to suspend receiving emails to an email account in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Emails section from the left-hand menu panel. Select the domain or hosting plan associated with the email account you want to manage. You'll see a list of email accounts. Choose the specific email account you wish to suspend. Next to the email account, you'll notice a three-dot icon. Click on it and select Settings. A pop-up window will appear showing the email account settings. Find the option labeled Suspend Receiving in the settings and toggle it on. After enabling it, click on the Update button to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully suspended receiving emails to the email account in Hostinger. Want to get more tutorials like this? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger.